guys, it's us again. So this day we're gonna open
Natalie's already opening.
a season one, a season. Oh jeez. Wait, what? A season one Disney Crossroad. Wait, I'm just messing up things. Crossroad. And 2 season Crossroad. Oh, it's upside down.
Okay, so do the season 1 because Natalie's about to open it.
Okay, Natalie, you need to calm down. Natalie, just calm down.
Hold up, Mama. Give her the little muñeca.
Oh, she just.
No.
Let's see who we got. This is my first time getting this Crossroad thing.
Maddie.
A blue package. Let's see what's inside. What?
Give me. Never mind. No, go ahead.
This is easy, more easy. No, it's not easy. Nope, it's hard. Okay, now it's not. I think it's. We got. How do you call it?
It's Donald Duck.
Yeah, we had Donald Duck and this weird thing. What is this? Oh, but he can stand. Donald Duck.
Okay, we got Donald Duck. You can let Natalie play with it until you finish opening.
Where's the other one that Natalie was?
Oh, season 1 right there. Sorry.
Oh. Where is she opening it from? Oh, right here. Is it? No.
Just use the scissors if you need to.
Okay. Fun. That took a long time. Oh, and I forgot to tell you, I had my little dog.
Wow. Donald Duck.
Donald Duck, Natalie.
Okay.
We got the wife.
Oh.
We got her wife.
Daisy.
We got Daisy, Donald Duck's wife. I can't believe we got her wife.
That's cool.
We got her wife.
Donald and Daisy.
Oh, I hope the other ones are Mickey and.
Okay. So those are season 2.
Ow. Now can you open it? And you just clap.
Can you open one and she opens one at the same time?
No, she doesn't know how to open it right now. I think it's gonna be a long time.
Are you gonna open it?
Tart cheese.
Katie, you need these scissors. Careful with those scissors.
Someone help me. Oh no, I thrown her.
Give me scissors.
Oh, this one. Look. They're gonna kiss together.
Just sticking the box in her mouth. Let me have the other one, please.
Okay, so my mom helped me open it. Oh, the scissors. Oh, this is Mickey. I don't know how to call it.
Mickey.
No, the girl.
Minnie.
Minnie, I hope this is Minnie. Mommy, there's a big hero!
Let me see the paper. Okay.
Where's the scissors now? Okay, I need the scissors now. Wait, who is this guy? This looks like Star Wars guy.
Let me see.
Star Wars guy.
This is a lady.
Lady?
This is Elizabeth Swan. Elizabeth Swan. She's like Pirates of the Caribbean, I think.
Mommy, we got Nemo's dad.
Nemo's dad. Marlin or Nemo?
I don't know. This is big.
Let me see the mouth. So yeah, the one with the mouth is his dad. Yeah, that's Marlin. So who do we got?
So today we got Ducklin and the Mrs. Ducklin. And Legion. And Nemo. Ooh. And this weird pirate guy. I just put in this guy in.
It's Elizabeth. It's the lady from Pirates of the Caribbean cave.
Then.
Okay, so we had series 1, series 2. That's it?
3.
No. That's it?
Of what?
That's all. That's the toys. You opened it. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Thank you for watching. Bye.